So basically, we started off our van life journey quitting our jobs with the intention of finding work on the road.
We had saved up money to last us 3 to 4 months, so we thought we had a little bit of time to take our time and search for things.
Yeah. Then this happened.
The ESP light turned on, and then our blinker stopped working, and then our windshield stopped working. And this, our exhaust pipe, we knew it was rusting. We didn't know it was that big of an issue. It just apparently rusted completely through and is dragging on the ground.
And this.
And this.
There's some issue with our U-joints. Our U-joints are totally shot and they're non-serviceable, I guess, which means you can't replace the joint. You have to replace the whole drive shaft, so we found ourselves in a real pinch and we needed to make money now.
So that leads us to telling you guys about Shipt and DoorDash.
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Allie, and this is my husband, Justin. In 2019, we purchased a Sprinter van and have spent the last year converting it into a tiny home on wheels. We are finally done, so buckle up and let's hit the road. So we are starting our first Shipt order for the day.
One of the cool things about being a shopper with Shipt is you can schedule your whole day out in advance. So you can basically have a whole game plan for the entire day, hours and everything.
Another great thing about Shipt is you can actually make more money than other delivery services.
Another plus is you can do it in any city. You just have to change it in the settings when you get there.
Something else great is that you can pick up the Shipt card from select locations. So we actually picked ours up from San Antonio back in Texas, and we're able to just do it on the road from there.
All right, last but not least, just a pack of green seedless grapes.
Wonderful! Thank you!
Thank you so much.
Let's go check out. All right, so we just got the order in the back, and now we're off to go drive and deliver it to them. Got the directions up?
Yeah. Probably one of the best things about Shipt is when you do get tipped, they're usually pretty good amounts because it's a big order.
Shipt is great and all, but there are still some cons.
All right, so we got the first order delivered. Now for our second order. So let's go ahead and get shopping.
One downside is that it's basically pay periods like a normal job. So you get a payday every week and there's no instant cash out. So if you need money now, it's not gonna help you out much.
Another con about Shipt is that there's a lot more stress to be on time. Gotta run! Hurry up, you big slowpoke! We got a time sucker here!
Shipt is also a lot more physically demanding, just between the grocery shopping, loading and unloading.
If you really want to make a profit with Shipt, you gotta be working all day. We've been doing 12-hour days just to get by.
One of the big downsides is that tips can be really hit or miss, so it can make or break your profit. So that's where DoorDash comes into play. Thank you, have a good day. The nice thing about DoorDash is it's way less stressful. Pick up the food, drop it off, done. It's also pretty nice because for the most part, the deliveries are a lot closer to the store. So you save a little bit of gas because you don't have to drive as far. Oof, sorry we lost you guys last night. We ended up doing DoorDash until like 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
Roughly.
Got late and we got tired, so.
Yeah. So we continue.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go take this in real quick. I'll be right back. So there are some cons with DoorDash. The main con is that you really don't make as much money, and then also you have a lot of downtime between rush periods. So.
All in all, we hate it. It's a lot of work for not that much money.
We basically can pay our bills and that's it. And that's with working every single day, sometimes 12-hour days.
So for us, it's not a long-term solution, but if you're in a pinch, then the two between DoorDash and Shipt, they can help you out. You at least make a little bit more money with Shipt, but DoorDash, you can get money right away.
It's definitely helped us get gas in very sticky situations.
That's right. Well, we better get back to work.
Yep, let's go. We hope this video helped you guys out figuring out how to make money on the road. This is definitely an option. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below.
Also, if you liked it, definitely give the video a giant thumbs up and hit that subscribe. We do post new videos every week.
All right, see you guys next week. Bye. Another thing about Shipt is that, oh wait, never mind. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get my feet next to yours.
Another thing about Shipt is that it, okay, one more time.